Hey travelers! If you're heading to Brazil in 2025 and need a tourist e-visa, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process and share how I got rejected twice because of my photo. I'll also give you the exact workaround I use so you don't have to waste time like I did. Let's go! Start by going to the official Brazil e-visa site, currently managed by VFS Global. Google Brazil e-visa 2025. VFS Global and make sure it's the real site. Once you're there, create an account, select Tourist e-Visa, and begin your application. You'll need a valid passport, a passport style photo, proof of travel like a round-trip flight or hotel booking, and a credit or debit card for the visa fee. Sounds simple enough, right? That's what I thought. But then my visa got rejected twice. My first rejection was because I submitted a photo with a colored background. Big mistake. The background needs to be plain white, not light colored, plain white. The second time, they flagged me for having my hair in bantu knots because that was a part of the style I've had in. Apparently, your entire face and ears needs to be clearly visible, no spectacular hairstyle, and your hair has to be pulled back so that no styles are blocking your features. And here's another thing that they don't tell you clearly. Your photo needs to be a specific size in pixels and file size. And the built-in resizing tool on the visa site is horrible. So what did I do? I used a free online tool to crop and resize my image to the exact required dimensions. There are plenty out there, so just search Passport Photo Resizer online or Brazil e-Visa Photo Crop Tool. This saved me so much frustration. Once I uploaded the right sized, white background, hair back, passport style photo, I finally got approved. So here's the recap of your photo checklist. White background, hair pulled back, no styles that block your face, no shadows or accessories, JPEG format, crop to the right size using an external tool. Double check everything before submitting, especially your passport number and name spelling. Pay the fee around $80 USD as of 2025 and submit. You'll get a confirmation and your visa will typically be processed in 5 to 10 days. But don't wait until the last minute. Give yourself at least 2 weeks in case something gets rejected or flagged. Once approved, they'll email your e-visa. You can print a hard copy and everyone recommends that you do, but I forgot and I was able to get through with the copy on my phone. But the Brazil borders may ask you to see the paper version. Most tourist e-visas are valid for 2 years and allow multiple entries for up to 90 days at a time, but always double check the exact terms on your visa approval. Here are a few quick pro tips. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date you enter Brazil. Don't use third-party visa sites unless absolutely necessary. And this visa is for tourist e-visas. Business, study, or long stays have different rules. So, learn from my mistakes. Use a white background, pull your hair back, use an external tool to size your photo properly, and triple check your info. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions. I'd love to hear your experience too, especially if you got tripped up like I did. Safe travels and enjoy Brazil. Boa viagem!